Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Gather wire stripper, wire cutter, 60/40 solder, soldering iron, heat shrink tubing, and flux. Choose copper wire between 18 AWG and 12 AWG for a reliable, easy joint. Cut 1/2 inch of insulation from each wire end and twist individual strands tightly to prevent stray strands. Slide a length of heat shrink tubing over one conductor now so it is ready before joining. Work on a non-conductive surface and keep a damp sponge for cleaning the iron tip. Use safety glasses and a well-ventilated area. Form a quarter-turn twist joint by overlapping 1/2 inch of stripped copper and twisting the two conductors together until snug. This mechanical bond carries most of the strength. Inspect the joint for stray strands and ensure a snug mechanical connection before soldering. Apply a small amount of flux to the twisted copper to improve solder flow and prevent oxidation during heating. Reheat the soldering iron to 350–400 degrees C and clean the tip on a damp sponge for predictable heat transfer. Keep the joint steady while soldering to avoid. Heat the twisted joint with a soldering iron set to 350–400 degrees C and feed 60/40 solder until it wets and flows through the strands, fully covering the copper. This indicates a good electrical bond. Do not overheat. A properly soldered joint is shiny and fully wetted by solder and will cool in seconds. After cooling, slide heat shrink tubing over the joint and shrink with a heat gun or lighter carefully, keeping flame away from insulation. Inspect the finished joint for solid solder coverage and no exposed copper, then test continuity with a multimeter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.